Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from my credit card to Cash App. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and then on this page you will have to enter the amount that you want to pay. After entering the amount, you are going to see this Pay tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you simply need to click on it. Once you do this, you will be redirected over here where you need to fill out this form in order to transfer your money from your credit card. Now over here in the top, you are going to see this debit card section. So you simply need to tap on this little arrow button, and once you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different payment methods such as your cash balance, your debit card and your credit card. So over here you just have to select the option of credit card. After that, you need to enter the name, cash tag, phone number or email address of that particular person to whom you are going to transfer your money. After that, you can add a note if you want to. Then you need to press the pay button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you simply need to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to easily transfer your money from your credit card to Cash App. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.